Howdy legends, just out in the shed again today. Going to give you my 2 cents on this Renegade swivel vise, which I picked up at TradeTools. Pay $10 extra for the swivel, which I reckon is pretty good. And yeah, coming in at 78, it's a very affordable, high quality little vise. Let's get into it. Yep. And here we are, the Renegade industrial cast iron 100mm jaw engineer vise. The reason why it's engineer, it's got the swivel. Yeah, no, I'm pretty happy with it. Got it on this bit of ply at the moment, just so I can move it around. Don't have a lot of room on the bench at the moment, so I've been picking it up and taking it and dropping it here on the portable, which is pretty easy. It only weighs about, it's less than 10 kilo. There you go. Happy days. Undo these. See if I can do it one-handed. Before I do that, a couple of me quick clamps. See this happening. Can do it one-handed. Check this out. Happy days. Nice hardened steel jaws, which you can swap them out. You can get replacements at TradeTools if you need. It's got little jaws in there. Haven't needed to at the moment, but you can hold pipe in there if you want. What else this bad boy got? She's got a anvil on top if you need a striking face, which is good. Yeah, she's got the beating already because I don't know what I'm doing half the time. No, she's a good hobbyist vise, but she's also built for the professional. 78 bucks, and yeah, she's a sweet bit of kit. Yeah, hasn't missed a beat so far, and she allows me to make projects like these. Ready? Just oiling up this handle here, and gee what, she was a good help on this vise. Coming in the goods. So there you have it. Renegade Industrial 100mm engineer swivel vise. Don't skimp out on the 10 bucks. Go get yourself a swivel for the extra tenner. Alright, go get it. You.